In order to be super successful in life, you need to be a badass. Now, badass is a word that is referred to people who are tough, who are uncompromising, who are best in their profession, who don't cry over spilled milk. So, in life, if you want to be super successful, then you need to practice being a badass. In this video, I'm going to share with you three tips that if you practice and practice hard, you will be on your way to achieve that super success. So let's get into it. The first tip that I want to share with you is let go of your past. Most of us will live in the past. Oh, my 5 years ago life was so very peaceful. 3 years ago I was so happy. Yesterday was so wonderful. Today is so sad. So he or she is living in the past. Let go of the past. If you cling to your past, you will never be able to move ahead. So if you want to be super successful and you want to be a badass, then you need to let go of your past. Second thing that you have to follow is that forget what people are saying about you or what people will talk about you. Just let it go. Never bother about what people are going to talk about you if you do this particular action. People will always talk, whether you do it or whether you don't do it. So don't get into this trap of what people will think about me. They will laugh at me. Don't care. It is your life. Even if they're laughing, let them laugh. You have to ask yourself, whose life is it? And it is your life. Your life is on the line. So forget what people think about you. And if it is right for you, if it will make you successful, if it will make you a better person, then you very well go ahead and do that job. Third point that I want to discuss with you is that stop talking and start taking action. That's right. We spend most of the time talking about how our future is going to be better, how I will be doing something tomorrow or next year, how I'm going to crush it. These are all nonsense talk. Stop talking and start doing. Let people know you by your actions, not by your talk. So if you want to create an impression on someone, do it with your actions. Don't simply stand and talk, talk, talk. Nobody is bothered. Talking is just a waste of time. When you take action, that is the time you are in the process of creating something. So learn to be a creator. Stop talking and start doing. So if you follow these three tips and start practicing it, make it a part of your daily routine, because every day you get the opportunity to practice these 3 points. Do it. Don't wait for an opportunity. Create that opportunity. From the time you wake up till the time you go to sleep, you get this opportunity to practice these 3 steps. So go ahead and start your day with these 3 points that we have discussed and make it a daily routine in your life. And I'm sure you will create a life that you have always wanted to live.